Today on Mike's Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious egg, ham, and cheese French toast. So let's get started. Now we're going to take one of our slices of bread here, and we're going to make a little pocket. So we're going to put like a lid or something to push down on, and we're going to make a pocket here, and a pocket there. Just make it like pretty big, just like that. And we'll put that aside. Yeah, now we're going to crack some eggs. Almost lost the shell there. Okay, now we're going to add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, tiny bit of garlic powder. Now you can put onion, so we're going to put onion powder, and a tiny bit of smoked paprika. That's good. This is the good stuff. All right, and we're going to beat that up. And we're going to put that aside. Now we're going to get our 12-inch cast iron skillet, put it right on the burner here. And we're going to set our burner to medium low. And we're going to put a little oil in the pan and let that heat up a little bit. Now we're going to take our egg mixture here. And we're going to dunk our bread in there. Just like that. Okay. Put this up here, save it for later. Now we're going to cover that and let that cook just a little bit. Maybe 2-3 minutes. Okay, let's give them a check. Oh yeah, that's perfect. All right, let's try this one. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of cheese, put it right on there like that. Take a piece of ham, put it on top of that like that. Another piece of cheese. Yeah, we like cheese. Another piece of ham. And another piece of cheese. Yep, we like cheese and ham. So another piece of ham goes on top of that. And a piece of cheese. Now on this one over here, you know what we're going to do? Yep, you guessed it. We're going to crack 2 more eggs. Okay, let's see if we get that other egg on there. Okay, not too bad. Okay. Now we're going to cover that and let that cook a little bit and let everything get nice and hot. And let the cheese melt and all. Okay, let's give them a check. Yeah, they look good. Let's see. Oh yeah. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to put a little green onions on there. Just a few. Alright, that ought to do it. Now we're going to add a little more salt, a little more pepper, Got enough salt over here, so we're gonna put some pepper over there though. A little bit of garlic powder. And we're gonna put a little bit of smoked paprika on top of this one. All right. Now we're gonna assemble that sandwich. Okay, let's spin this one around a little. Wow, it's nice. Yeah, I gotta spin him around so I can put him on right. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. Put that right on there that way. Beautiful. Boy, that cheese is soft under there. Okay. See him sliding? It's all melted. Got a few green onions. Okay, there you go. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to cover that and let everything melt together a little bit there. Boy, is that beautiful. It's going to be tasty. Okay, let's take a look at it, see how it's doing. Oh yeah, that's beautiful looking. Okay, let's see if we can get that out of there. Wow, can you see that? Boy, is that good looking. And those egg yolks, they're still soft. See them? Beautiful. Man, you can't beat this one. I bet you this French toast is going to taste good with 3 slices of ham and 4 slices of cheese in there. It's got 5 eggs. Okay. Can't wait to get into that one. You know, the leftover egg mixture. Yeah, we can't waste that. You know, all we did was wipe out our cast iron pan here, which didn't take much, and put a little more oil on the pan. Make sure our burner is set on low, not medium low, just low. And we're going to take our leftover egg mixture and we're going to dump all our green onions in there, stir it up. Can you see it? Okay. And we're going to put that right in the pan. And it's pretty thin. Okay, so we're going to spread that out a little. Okay, we don't want to waste our egg mixture, so we're going to make like a little mini omelet out of this. Of course, it wouldn't be an omelet without a couple pieces of cheese, right? So we'll just go ahead and put them in there. There you go. And we'll cover that up and let everything kind of melt. Okay, let's give it a check. Yep, everything's kind of melted. Okay, now we're just going to add a little sprinkle of salt on here. And a tiny bit of pepper, that's it. No smoky paprikas or anything. Okay, let's see if we can get under this, because this is a cast iron skillet, remember, and that's a thin omelet. And hopefully it doesn't stick, right? Okay. Definitely thin. Yeah, I got to get a spatula. Okay, it's so thin we need one of these guys. Boy, is it thin, because it's spread out. It's like 12 inches wide. Let's see if we can flip that over a little. Oh yeah, that's really, really nice. I wonder if we can do it with the spatula now, the regular stainless steel one. Yep. Okay, let's see if we can keep rolling. Yep, keep rolling. Let's bring it back to the middle. And well, man, it's hot. I need one of them heat resistant gloves. Okay, there you go. Boy, is that delicate. Okay, as you can see, nothing stuck. I mean, nothing stuck. So, that's a good seasoned pan there, and one of these days I'll probably do a seasoning on a cast iron pan. I might even take it down to bare metal and then show you how to do that. Okay, let's plate that up. Okay, we'll get our beautiful French toast here, and we're gonna see if we can put that right on there. Oh yeah, look at that. That is actually beautiful right there. What a breakfast that is. Okay. That's a beautiful French toast right there, breakfast. And it's 5 eggs total. And we used up the leftovers right here to make an omelet. Very thin, delicate omelet. Really tasty. Okay, I can't wait to get into that. Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious egg, ham, and cheese French toast with 2 sunny side up legs on top, 4 pieces of cheese, and 3 pieces of ham in there. Wow. And we made a cheese omelet really thin in our cast iron skillet with the leftover egg mixture. That's great. Yeah, we're just gonna have to get into this. Oh, look at the yolk. Oh, is that beautiful? Wow. Nice. Oh yeah, you see that? Look at the ham in there. Beautiful. Okay. Wow. That's some delicious French toast right there. You can't beat that right there. Yeah, we're gonna have to get into our omelet back here too. We'll see how that is. Take a piece right out of the middle. Let's see how that is. Yeah, look at that. Man, look at that. Isn't that nice? See the cheese? Like cheese. Yeah, that's a little too big though. I think I'll cut that in half there a little bit or something. Okay. There you go. Boy, is that tasty too? Yep, don't waste your leftover egg when you make these. Oh yeah. That's a beautiful omelet. Beautifully thin. You can't beat that either. Wow. Yeah, you know what would go good with that right now? A nice hot cup of coffee, but guess what? I didn't make any. Darn it, I gotta make a cup. That sounds good.